You asked, how to divide 2428 by 4 using the long division method. 2 is too small. Use 24. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. 24 minus 24 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 4 equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Bring down 8, making 28. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. 7 times 4 equals 28. 28 minus 28 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 607.